welcome to Chronicles of My Creation. I'm your host, my name is Mike. Quick story, 8, 9 years ago, truck, and we ended up selling it. We ended up selling that truck. We actually took for openly. That's what she's into. She is a girl. So we're actually going to do a giveaway at the end of this build series, and we're going to give away all the stock review of some of the hop-up parts 1.9s. Now, I'm scale gunned. It's not as fun for me with the 2.2s. When I had my shock, so they're 120mm. Got arms. These are going to be a super nice addition. We'll go through. Oh, these are the axles actually. Sorry, actually, we got some metal drive shafts. Axles, if I remember correct. I've actually put a set of these on an What's up, guys? Welcome to Chronicles of My Creation. I am your host. My name is Mike. So I want to bring back an OG. Quick story. 8, 9 years ago, me and the wife were living in Kansas, and she got big into doing Wraiths. So we bought her a Wraith, and it was a lot of fun. And we built that truck, and we ended up selling it. We ended up moving and needed the extra cash. So throwback to that, in honor of that truck, I want to welcome you guys to Project Wifey. And before we ended up selling that truck, we actually took her old panels off. So these are the panels that we custom made for her truck. Of course, they're pink and black and glittery, but that's what she's into. Well, she is a girl. So we got all of our panels for the Wraith. So we're going to be taking this body off. We're actually going to do a giveaway at the end of this build series, and we're going to give away all the stock parts off of this rig. So what we're actually going to do is do a complete teardown of this rig. We're going to go through and put some stainless steel hardware all throughout it, get her all dialed up, greased up, lubed up, check it out, and do a build series on this truck. Alright guys, so we're going to go through and take this thing apart. I'm not sure if I'm going to get into the axles. I probably will take off the covers and check out the grease, make sure they're greased up. But more than anything, it's just dirty. It doesn't have a whole lot of runs on it. So let's go through. Here's a time lapse of me doing that. So quick rundown. I found this Wraith spawn locally on Facebook Marketplace for sale, and gave me the idea to bring back my wife's old truck. I'll throw a photo of Missy's old truck back here. So let's go over a quick overview of some of the hop-up parts that I bought so far. This is definitely not the extent. This is just to kind of get us going. So got some pink bead locks here. It wouldn't be her truck without pink and black. So we're going to do some 1.9 bead locks there. They look like methods, but they're not. We're going to do some interco, wow, I can't talk today, boggers there. Those are 1.9s. Now, I'm a scale guy. I like the 1.9 tire. These are 2.2s, and it's not as fun for me with the 2.2s. When I had my scale crawler, my SCX-10, my first generation, my wife would totally just outcrawl me with her 2.2 Wraith. So we're gonna even it up a little bit, even though these 1.9s are pretty big. That's what we're gonna go with. We also have these Desert Lizard internal spring shocks. So they're 120mm guys here. These are gonna work really well for that guy. We also have some Incision trailing arms. These are gonna be a super nice addition for what we're doing there. We got some more front end steering components here. we'll go through. Oh, these are the axles, actually. Sorry, actually, we got some metal drive shafts here. Those are going to be super sick. Then we got a battery and a couple other things and whatnot. So, without further ado, let's get into tearing down this rig and see what's what. Alright, so we're going to go through and take this guy together. Well, alright guys, we're going to go through and start taking this guy apart. So I plan on touching every component and checking it out and making sure it's nice and working properly and everything like that. So here's a time lapse of me doing that. So we got the front rear axles off. I did steal the servo for another project yesterday, actually, so I need to get a new servo on there. All in all, everything looks pretty good. We got some metal hubs up front, some metal caster blocks there. So yeah, go through and I believe these are AR60 axles, if I remember correct. I've actually put a set of these on an SCX10 before, and they worked really well. So now let's get our driver out of here and figure out what we're going to do with these electronics on the chassis. Here's the stock electronics. Well, actually, it's got a dynamite ECU, waterproof ESC, 2 to 3S lipo. Oh, it's nickel metal hydrate, that's why. Yeah, well, we'll toss that guy, and honestly, we'll just get rid of this stuff. I doubt that it has any kind of metal gears or anything like that. Don't know that I should even check, but since we're here, might as well just give it a quick glance real fast. We're gonna go through here anyways. If it's not upgraded gears on there. There's one other one, that's right, it's on this side. Oh no, I can't get down there. Oh, there it is right here. We'll go through and upgrade to some metal gears if there's no metal gears in here. Yep. Now, everything looks nice though. The guy said he didn't have too many runs on it. I think he just played in the dirt a little bit, and that's pretty much it. So we'll go through and upgrade the spur gears and the diffs and the axials, and we'll put a nice motor on here. Might as well just go ahead and remove, oh, I need the right size. We'll remove that later. Go ahead and remove this motor and check it out. So that's the complete teardown for now. I'm going to go through and clean up this roll cage a bit and kind of decide what we're going to do. I know there's some metal options out there now, so we could upgrade to a complete metal roll cage, but I kind of like the way that it is now. How it's sitting. Let's mock up these panels real fast for the wife and see what it could potentially look like. I know guys, you're already complaining that it's pink, but she likes to be in the hobby too. Yeah, that'll look cool. Look cool in there with those pink bead locks and all that good stuff. So let's work on getting this guy cleaned up and we'll continue on. Alright guys, there you have it. So she is taken apart. I will go through in the next video once I get my grease in and check out the diffs and stuff like that. I know these are all stock, so we'll upgrade our diffs in there. And then at the end of this build series, all of this stock parts, as well as a couple other little goodies, will be given away. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and if you would comment on the video, I'd really appreciate it. If there's any feedback you guys have, or if you want to see something different, let me know. We'll talk to you in the next video.